Hey, it's Andrew Camille coming to you from the Hotel Maya in Long Beach, California. And today I'm going to give you a tour of my room. As you enter, to the left is the bathroom. It's beautifully designed. You have your sliding glass door. You have your typical towels and washcloths, your hair dryer, and a stand to put your cosmetics if you need to. And you have your typical sink. And one of the products that they're using is from Aromatherapy Associates. It's a refreshing lavender and ylang ylang. Then you have your standard toilet and shower. The other products that they use comes from Crabtree and Evelyn. You have your shower gel, your conditioner, and your shampoo. You also have your body lotion from Crabtree and Evelyn. Once you leave the bathroom, right across from your bathroom is your closet. The closet has a safe, hangers, and a pillow and extra blanket, and you can use this curtain to close the closet off. As you enter, it's a king-size room. You have your table where you can work, your desk. You also have a beautiful papier-mâché design, and then you have your coffee maker from Keurig, and you have your king-size bed. You have two nightstands at the end of night tables at the end of each side of the bed. Then you have your television, your bureau where you can put your clothes, extra clothes if you want to. Another beautiful painting that sets the design of the room. And then you have your comfortable chair if you just want to relax. And what I love about this is the balcony where you can sit and relax and watch and people watch. You have your comfortable yellow chairs, and the resort is manicured perfectly. It's beautiful. And so if you look straight ahead, that's the Queen Mary. I did a room tour of the Queen Mary when I stayed here in January. And also that white dome is where Carnival Cruise Line is. So if you're going to be going on a cruise, you can stay here at the Hotel Maya for your pre-cruise and post-cruise. Because who wants to go home when you get off of your cruise? And I can book your cruise, or I can book your room here at the Hotel Maya. So if you're interested, feel free to give me a call at 202-600-6866 or visit my website, vacationadvertiser.com. Once again, this is Andrew Camille coming to you from the Hotel Maya in Long Beach, California.